Adam, a very quick one and a very sad one and unfortunate one at that. Nah, WSF. Emana when you get me like this, when you get me like this, again a jo say. So on endebra no wa imebu madibe. On endebra no wa imebu madibe. Only one case, not a table line, a human rights officer. Since last year, case and Sebia of a particular family trying to overpower and intimidate and oppress and suppress a particular family. The same blood, though. The same blood. Now, you know, upon this case is on a court, that is why we don't want to on a court. But when this case seems to have overwhelmed the court, we beckon on some people in the judiciary. Recently, in that actually burial. Sina haga kupu family hana esoku. Na haga eli onye ha n'ime the palo. Palo mmado na haga eli onye ha haga eburu ozu onye ha ga n'ime palo ndị ọzọ lie. Anya gbagharịwa Chineke eme nnu otu o shi eme ihe. Magistrate na anaghị abịa bụ court kamgbe abịazịa court because I'm a pressure I put through. See, let the status quo remain. Heli Huzonya Anime Palonda because they wanted to break that house. Liemadu Nime Palo. Then Heli Huzonya Anime Palo Heje Lizea outside the gate of that same house. Lizea Nishi gate. Ebende Madu Shabata na that house. Because when they bench warrant to arrest those people, how about? They claim they have money. They claim they have money to control the judiciary. They claim they have money to pay any lawyer. They claim they have money to pay any magistrate. They claim they have money to pay any judge. How about they issue a bench warrant? The magistrate they issue a bench warrant to arrest them. Hey, fool. Eli chala madu now. Hey, we fancy. Bashizie the entrance of that compound. Eba haliri, onye haliri. How bashizie that compound, so that the compound aga he one says road. How about she probably to protect only Hali, ni who compound the mother. How about she said the compound? Nanda Haman Basenolo. I mobilize a Jeme arrest. Oh, yeah, now. Very annoying. Very annoying. Oh, yeah, now. Now, magistrate, bench warrant. A popular prosecutor now. See, I release those people. Job here they at or she job here they at risk. This and that. See release you are getting a bench warrant. Nice. There are things that are happening in this state that I knew go for the all we way. Which means that they can control the judiciary because they say they have money and they can do and don't do. They can spend millions and spend billions. To continue to intimidate, continue to suppress, continue to depress, continue to oppress. I because of the court. But that they are greater than the court, they are greater than the judge, they are greater than magistrate, they are greater than government, they are greater than the law. I will not call the name of the magistrate for that out of respect for the judiciary. And I will not mention the name of anywhere for out of judiciary, but how many be said? Because of Ihamene now, we are going to make sure that the Imo State government, Batranimo Kwa, Kaimanazi onya magistrate, Monya Hana George Anatri, Monya Hana on a phone. Can release the end bench warrant to Mude, Makia which bench warrant to the mother, Onya bench warrant to all straight to prison. Yes, Onya bench warrant to all straight to prison till the death of Ogema Piana court. That is the law. That is the law. Okudu Diego, you can buy judiciary abi? No wahala. O ebudu na egunu na gaheru. O egunu na gaheru. Ebunu weputara omun to suppress and to oppress and to depress. Mbele enwe ego. I ga Nubia and the jiga karre. I ga Nubia and the jiga karre. I have tried to reach the Attorney General. Abola me many times to pick me call here. Instead of kwala message. Because I know me so that chike happy blame I. Happy blame nchekwando ogbenye foundation. Here we have mebunyendo ogbenye, and we will fight this to the last. Ebu no sidunu jiego, imebu nwa ogbenye na mbise, imebu nwanne mpunu na mbise. Then chere na aka gorombo. Chere na aka goroko. Ihe na kwakwuru we shoku, ebu no sidunu gemebu nwa ogbenye. Ego le kudu jidi. How much do you think you have? I'm asking you these people. Ego le kudu chedunuji. Quarter next week. We are going there. Can you not go there? Here magistrate get. I am begging the magistrate who not to sell anybody who do your job. Any magistrate that somebody is threatening his job, come to us. Any magistrate, any judge, somebody on a threat here, we have put them that case. Or governor on a threat, or chief of judge, or whoever that is threatening you, when you are on your job and you are doing the right thing. Mune butrania. Butrai dioku. Utato selagi, do the right thing. But somebody threatens your job. So onye na-enweghị ego n'obodo that is onye na-enweghị ego n'obodo enweghị ọnụ. You na-etu ọnụ. You will buy this, you will buy judiciary, you buy this, you buy that. Dile ụlọ mmadụ gbachie ye were fence cross ụlọ mmadụ onye ha nwezi access to his house. Gisi n'iji ego. And somebody is supporting you people. Somebody somewhere sitting on highly placed is supporting you people. Can release you on bench warrant. Eleba release on your bench warrant. And I got no Pikachinaka.